it go? Oh, well. It's gone now. Yep.
What's going
Kelvin
on,
Zonema takes the handoff, tries the middle of the Skyhawks, stack him up at the line of scrimmage.
You're passing for our next.
Number 72, Mitchell Griffin. And number 63, Chris McCarter, in on the stop.
It's gone.
3rd down and 6 for the Chiefs on the Skyhawks 41-yard line. Darian Peterson pulls it down, brought down at the 40-yard line. Chris McCarter on the stop. And we have a flag down on the play.
You know he want it.
Passing for our next. You want me to hold on?
Procedure against the Chiefs is declined. That'll bring up 4th down. The ball's spotted at the Skyhawk 40-yard line. 4th down and 5.
I didn't hear another one.
Darian Peterson looks downfield, can't find anybody, and pulls it down. Brought down to the Skyhawk 39-yard line.
Stop.
Number 12, William Collins Jr. makes the tackle on the